Oh, it's still Monday morning here, and the sky just opened up like, wow. I'm heading down to the pond, kind of curious to see if the water's running in there. But yeah, and all the buckets and containers we got out, I've been hauling water and dumping it in the pool. Like I said, the pool at capacity is 13,000 liters. And wow, look at the pond. Oh, I got to get down that way. It looks like it's coming up pretty good. Like I said, we haven't had rain like this, wow, since last June. That was actually coming down into the pond. And it's been raining like this, like I said, most of the early AM here. And kind of watch my step here. Wow, so nice. Like I said, with the water situation that a lot of people have here in the Philippines, once you're out in the country, boy, any little amount of water really helps. Yeah, not much running in here. It looks like there's blockages up there, but the pond slowly filling up here. And like I said, it was down to what, 8-9 inches, and the last I looked at it was 30, and there's more water in it since then. I'm going to take kind of a walk up this way and see what's happening here. If it's at all, but yeah, wow, so good. And we had a bunch of Filipina in there, so they're just loving this. Wow, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it drags down a lot of leaves and everything in that down in, but it's still running pretty good into the pool here. And the rain does not seem to be wanting to let up, which is all okay. Yeah, we got some blockage here, but she's running down pretty good. Wow. Oh yeah, she's running down here pretty good. It all gets down there, I really need to go through and clean it out and take the weeds out and that. But as you can see, and it's really not running off the road here at all. It's more or less running off the road from down in front here, but you can see in my fields here, I got to get over towards the road here. Yeah, take a look at the road here. Wow, yeah, it's continuing to run down the road here. All the paths down in here were covered up. I'll have to dig another path in here because it just runs and runs downhill below. Dig a path so it runs down in here, like I said, and fills up our pond. My beans, of course, wow, they're starting to come up above the trellis here, which is good. And actually, as you can see here, the water's coming down the hill off the road up here. A lot of my corn is down. Wow, yeah, you can see it's raining really pretty good here. But it runs off down the road and off the road into here. Whoop. Yeah, you can tell right here how it runs down the road. And of course in our property then down towards the pond. It used to run farther down here, and then onto our property. Apparently there's a berm here now that it's not doing that. I'll have to cut a berm. I'd like this all to wash into the pond and to fill a pond, but look at on the other side here. And this all goes downhill down below. We're kind of towards the top of the hill here. But yeah, wow, a lot of water. Yeah, right here. I'll have to cut a channel in there from the road here, so that it'll run down into my chow down there. And here also. But you can kind of look back up the road there. Wow. And both sides of the road here, and of course it dumps in down below and then runs downhill to the river here. But all the way down. And a little bit going in right here. But like I said, yeah, there's a little bit going in right here. I should actually dig that out a little bit so more of it runs down in there. Most of this usually ran into our pond, which always kept it full. And mainly for the fish. We don't use the water really for much of anything else. We have at one time filled containers, and at least you know, the pigs will definitely drink